Kaway-kaway, puro uno. Puro dos. Puro tres. Puro cuatro. Puro cinco. Seis. Or seven. So, here are the results for the Zumba Dance Competition. Let's start with our third placer. Our third placer with a cash prize of 2,000 pesos. First place we have Puro. Third place we have Puro Cuatro. Congratulations, Kali Kaon. Okay, be here on stage, all the Zumba performers of Puro Cuatro claim your prize. Cash prize, 2,000 pesos. The very proud Kagawa Jimmy Busano. Okay, photo opportunity. Picture receiving the certificate, receiving the cash prize, 2,000 pesos. Okay, with Kagawa Jumi. Okay, congratulations, Puro Cuatro, for clinching third place in the Zumba Dance Competition.
And now for our second placer, who's your bet? For the second placer, will receive a cash prize of 3,000 pesos. Second place goes to second place is Puro Science. Requesting the performers to be on stage for the photo opportunity.
Congratulations, Puro Science, for being the second placer for this Zumba Dance Competition.
Puro Science will receive a cash prize of
Good
3,000
opportunity
pesos.
with their Kagawa. Congratulations, Puro Science. And now, the champion for this year's Zumba Dance Contest, receiving a cash prize of 5,000 pesos. This year's champion in Zumba Dance Contest is from Puro Lutso. Puro
The undefeated.
Back to Kagawad. Is Kabusan. Alright, congratulations, our first laser, Brooke Goss. Okay, grabe ang kalipat sa mga Brooke Goss.